Hello and welcome to Stark State College. I'm Para Jones, president of the college, and it's such an honor to welcome you to our virtual open house. Of course, we're virtual because of COVID, but you may know that we plan to have classes both in person and online this fall. So whatever your preference, it is here at Stark State College. Let me tell you why you've made such a wise decision to attend this open house. First of all, you're going to get a chance to see our campus, which is magnificent. When students and people from the community come onto our campus, they are amazed at our resources, at our classrooms, at our laboratories. They get to meet faculty and hear about our outstanding programs, which I know you're going to get to do during this virtual open house. But let me talk to you for a moment about why Stark State College is your best choice. We have quality programs. Easy for me to say, I'm the president, right? But we have third-party validation of that quality because we are regionally accredited by the Higher Learning Commission. What does that mean to you? That means that your courses will transfer to colleges and universities in the region if you choose to go on for a 4-year degree. You want that assurance. You want that ability to build on your Stark State College education. Also, many of our programs in business, in engineering technology, and of course in health are accredited by their respected accrediting and licensing organizations and agencies. And I'm proud to say that our students who sit for national licensure exams perform at or above the average for Ohio and national students. We have pass rates that are very impressive that reflect on the quality education you will receive at Stark State College. Also, if you decide to be an online student now because of COVID, or perhaps continue to take at least one online course as you enter your program at Stark State, we were just named one of the top 50 community colleges in online learning, and we're very proud of that. There are 1,100 community colleges nationally. So to be singled out for excellence in online learning is really a very high testimony to the quality of our online. And for you, if you are intending to attend online, I hope you know that means you will find faculty who are familiar with teaching and learning online. Services, including advising, tutoring, a library, all available to you online. You cannot beat Stark State College quality and affordability. We are 60% lower than the tuition at a 4-year public university, and of course, needless to say, 200 or 300% lower than the tuition at a private university. So regardless of your goal, maybe you're coming to get a degree in nursing. I just spoke to the department chair of our emergency medical services division. Perhaps you're going into engineering, technology, accounting. Whatever your chosen field, starting at Stark State College, earning your associate degree is a very wise move. You'll also find small class sizes during the virtual tour. You won't see a large number of lecture halls because here at Stark State, we have class sizes on average of 19 students to 1 faculty member. And our faculty care about our students, reach out to our students, and make sure you're comfortable reaching out to them when you need their help. Best of all, in addition to small class sizes and outstanding laboratories and classrooms, we have wonderful connections in the community to help you with your career exploration and to help you with finding an employer and a career and job that fits you. So all of those reasons are why I think you need to take a great look, a deep look at Stark State College as you enter our virtual open house. Reach out to us. We're here to help you. We have ample financial aid. I know I talked to you about the affordability of our tuition. Still, We have scholarships. Of course, many of our students qualify for federal Pell Grants, and right now we have CARES funding to assist people who are struggling as a result of COVID. So now is a great time for you to pursue higher education, and Stark State is a great place for you to do that. Welcome. Have a great open house.
Stark State College has been around for 60 years, graduating students like yourself into careers that are in demand or helping them move on to even more education. Maybe you've heard, but the best part is that Stark State has all the quality at the lowest tuition in the area. Here's a first-hand glimpse into what it looks like to get your start at Stark State on main campus. Admissions is your first destination. This is where you'll meet with an enrollment representative to start your journey. Just down the hall from admissions, you'll find Career Services. They provide lots of guidance, including career counseling if you're not sure which career is the best fit for you. Career Services is also a great resource for help with resumes, mock interviews, internships, and job openings. You'll want to get to know them from the start. Gateway Student Services is a one-stop solution for help with anything relating to registering for classes, financial aid, filling out the FAFSA, advising, adding and dropping classes, and more. If you have a question, Gateway is the place to call or visit. The Business and Entrepreneurial Center is home to the largest enclosed atrium area on campus, M100, where you'll go for many events such as open houses, Jumpstart, and career fairs. The M building also houses plenty of classrooms and computer study spaces. Don't let the name fool you. Many different fields of study hold classes in the B building. Plus, here's where you'll find resources like military services and disability support services. The B building also holds lots of classrooms, computer lab spaces, and the largest quiet study spot on campus, the Silk Atrium. When you're in the atrium, you'll see the digital library, a great resource whether you touch base with them online or in person. Directly across from the atrium, you'll find the Silk Auditorium, the campus's large lecture hall. The W.R. Timken Center is home to many of the college's information technology programs. You'll find drafting labs and classrooms for engineering technology, graphic design and digital photography classes, video production labs, traditional classrooms, and more. It's also where you'll go if you need to take an exam in the testing center. The J building on main campus houses classrooms and instructional labs for Stark State's health programs. You'll find lots of hands-on learning going on here. From nursing to dietary, health information management to surgical technology and more, this building contains state-of-the-art lab spaces for our students. One of the newest spaces on main campus, the K building, offers an open computer lab and study space along with several classrooms. Here in the G building, you'll mainly find classrooms for public service programs, as well as the auxiliary bookstore where you'll pick up your textbooks. The student-operated food pantry also operates here. The Sciences Wing, or H building, houses classrooms and labs for programs in the sciences and pre-medical fields ranging from chemistry and biology to dental hygiene, as well as occupational and physical therapy assisting. One of the most unique learning opportunities Stark State offers is an on-site cadaver lab for our anatomy classes. The Arts and Sciences building holds more traditional classrooms, as well as the Math Emporium and Math Tutoring Center. When you come in the main entrance, our security staff will help you with important resources like your parking pass or any background checks you'll need. They're always just a phone call away. The college store covers all your campus needs: books and supplies for classes, Stark State gear to show your Spartan spirit, snacks to keep you going, and even cards and gifts. The campus cafe, or cafeteria, can keep you fueled up during your time on campus. You'll find breakfast, lunch, and dinner options, along with plenty of snacks. The Student Life and Game Room on the second floor of the Student Center is the perfect place to unwind between classes with a theater room, pool table, video games, foosball table, and more. The Writing Center is the place to go for a helping hand with all the words. They'll help you smooth out everything you want to say in your essay or research document. Hands-on fire science classes take place in the state-of-the-art facility on main campus. This is one of the only programs on campus not directly connected to the other buildings, which are connected by second-floor walkways, which make the walk between classes warm in the winter and cool in the summer. The Advanced Technology Center, also known as the ATC, is the other building on main campus not connected to the main facility. It's home to advanced manufacturing classes and the Culinary Center. Ready to get your start? Hop over to the admissions page of our website to apply at starkstate.edu/admissions. At Stark State College, you'll spend less, earn more, and go further.
Welcome to Stark State and our virtual open house. My name is Renee Enix and I am the Interim Co-Dean for the Business and Information Technology Division. Today I'm here to talk to you about the Administrative Services, Legal Assisting, and Judicial Court Reporting career community. And an interesting fact about me, I'm also the department chair for that program, and I'm also a graduate of that program. So I have a lot of information about this, and it is a great program. It's been going on for many years, so it's well established. And we have a lot of great partnerships with the community. So a couple things about this particular career community is we have the Administrative Office Professional degree program in this community, and we have a couple different options for you. So we have the Administrative Office Professional, which really focuses more on the design aspects. So in addition to all of those technical skills that you're going to get with answering the phones correctly and the keyboarding and all of those things, you're also going to get some of the great graphic skills that you might need. If management is more of the area that you want to go in, our Administrative Office Management major is the option for you. And that's really going to focus on all of those technical skills that you need in any type of environment, but it's going to also focus then on supervision and management and how to handle those higher level skills. And then we have a third option, which is our virtual office option. That option is a completely online program. So if you are interested in a completely online program, that's the one for you. Another great thing about all of the programs is that a lot of the courses are offered face-to-face or online, so you have your choice and depending on what your learning style is. We have the Legal Assisting program, and our Legal Assisting program is really focuses on those legal aspects. So you have your legal research and writing, you have your legal administrative office procedures, and your legal terminology and those types of courses. That's really going to prepare you to sit in that law office or that law firm. So we also have a judicial court reporting program. Our judicial court reporting program is kind of unique in that we are partnered with Clark State Community College. That program will have you taking classes at Stark State and also at Clark State, and that program is also completely online. The judicial court reporting program will prepare you to either work in a courtroom as a stenographer, or you will be working in a freelance firm, and many of our judicial court reporting students go on to be captioners. So there's quite a few different options if you end up going into that program and learning how to write about 225 words per minute before you are out of the program. So great program if that's an option for you. So the one great thing about this program, all of the programs, the administrative office, legal assisting, or judicial, is all of these programs have amazing internships which get our students out there working in the industry and mentoring with people in the field. A lot of those students actually end up getting jobs from those internships, not always, but sometimes, and it just exposes those students to so many business partners in the local area and surrounding area. So it's a great opportunity to show what you've learned during this 2 years in school. So we hope to connect with you. If you want to stick around, we have our highly qualified faculty waiting for you in the Zoom room. Check out the link in the comment box and we will talk to you soon.